Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I've got an absolute glam rock classic from 1973, made famous by The Sweet. This is called Blockbuster. I'm sure you're going to love this one, and if you do, please can you do me a massive favour and click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel and bring you more guitar based tutorials. So with all that said and done, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Blockbuster, let's show you how that's done. So first off, it's fairly basic to be fair. We've got E going down to A major chord, and we've also got a B, but we've got what's known as a blues shuffle coming up. So let's show you how we get through all of that. So first off, the intro. So we're going to be looking at, we're doubling up all down strokes. What I want you to do, I want you to rest the palm of your hand on, it's not really the palm, it's the side of your hand on the strings, so we get a muted sound. All right, so we're after 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And now what I want you to do, I want you to concentrate on the strings 6, 5, 4, 3. So the E string, A string, D string and G string, the thicker strings. And what we're going to do, we're going to play an E chord, and we're going to go, and then we're going to play the open. We're going to be off the strings. We're going to lift our fingers off. I want you to leave the first finger on the first fret of the G string. Okay, so we're going to go down, 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 down. So that's with the fingers off except for the first finger, and then we're going to land down on an A chord. Now what we're going to do with the A chord, we're going to play our A chord with the second, third and fourth fingers on the second fret. There we go, you should know an A chord, but there we go, the A chord there. And then we're going to be open again as we go back to the, before going back to the E chord. So we're going to go down, 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 down. That's open, except for the first finger, and then down on an A chord, then open again, got it, and then back down to the E. So we're going to go down, 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 down. Lift your the two fingers off, leaving the first finger behind, and then down on an A chord, off of the A chord, leaving the first finger again, and then back to the E chord, starting over. Got it? E, E, off, A chord. So E, 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 E. So just practice that through. Now this runs through the whole song more or less. It's very repetitive. The thing that changes though, in the intro we've got doubles. We've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Pretty much straight away. So you got that for a few bars. Then when it singles up again, it goes back to something more straightforward. So it'll go. Then it singles up. You see what's happened there? So we've gone from 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. all downstrokes. Okay, so we've got that bit, so we're going to go. Now that's all the verses, and let's get on to the blues shuffle parts. So it moves up to the 7th fret, play a major shape, E bass bar chord, but we're going to play it up on the 7th fret for a B chord. Now what we're going to do, we're going to use our little finger and we're going to play the 6th string and the 5th string, so the E string and the A string at a push. The D string sounds quite good as well, but definitely the top 2 strings. And we're going to, again, we're going to double up. We're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and concentrating on them top 2 to 3 strings. And what we're going to do, we're going to go. And what that is, so we've got the B chord, and with our little finger, we're going to be going between the 9th fret of the A string and the 11th fret of the A string. So that's going to be our 3rd finger and our little finger. So we're going to be going. So what we're going to go 1, 2, and then 1, and then lift off again. So we've got. So that is the 9th fret, 9th fret, 11th fret. 9, 9, 11, 9, 9, 9, 11, 9, 9. Does anyone know the way to hear that bit? And then what we're going to do, the bit when it goes, we haven't got a clue what to do. It comes down to E shape, E chord, but we're going to do that with the 1st finger, and we're going to be on the 2nd fret of the A string, again using the 6th string, 5th string, and the D string, the 4th string there. And this time we're going to go between, same pattern, but this time we're going to be going between the 1st finger and the 3rd finger. Again, we're muting, slightly muting with the edge of our hand. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So let's take you through the chorus. Now we've got them bits sorted out. So we've gone. Does anyone know the way up on a B to here? So down to E, back to B. You got to be away from E. Okay. So let's do that again. So we've got the B. Does anyone know the way? So this is the B, down to E, back to B, that's down, down on an E chord, and then we go. So that's between the E and the A chord. You've got the chorus. The only other bit is a little bit later on. You go. That happens later. So what that is, that's going. You could slide all the way up. It goes from E to B. Now you could slide up all the way to this B. I'm saying, so that would be. Which is a pain. So what we'll do instead is we'll go E to this B here, which is bridging all 6 strings, bar chord, hold down all 6 strings on the 2nd fret. With our 3rd finger, we're going to be on the 4th fret, holding down the D string, G string, and the B string and the E string, but not playing the E string, okay, because that'll give you a B6. We don't want a B6, we want a B major. So basically we're going to stop before we get to the E string. There's our B. So we got, this is down ups. So we got down, up, down up, down. They're just down up, down ups. Down up, down up, down up, down. Down up, down up, down up, down. Down, down. B. So B. Okay, so it's just E's and B's. So try that again. Do that again. E to B. Does anyone know the way? To hear someone say what to do? So there we are, Blockbuster by The Sweet. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below. Always great to hear from you. And if you've got any song suggestions for songs you'd like me to take to pieces and show you how to play in another video, again, leave your song suggestions in the comments below. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a massive favour and click like and subscribe for me. I'm always so very grateful, and a big shout out to those of you that have done that for me already. Thank you so very much. So until we meet again, take great care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye now. Thank you.